Welcome to this guided meditation for working with anger. Let's begin by coming into a seated position on a chair or a cushion or on the floor, and be really at ease there, and bringing attention to our breathing, making friends with our breath, taking a deep breath in, holding it there for a moment, and a long, slow breath out. We'll do that 2 more times. Deep breath in, holding it inside just for a moment, and a long, slow breath out. One last time. Deep breath in, holding it, if only for a moment, and letting it out long and slow. Throughout our time at this meditation practice, let us try and keep our connection with our breath, not losing this friendship that we have established with our breath. Our deep breaths in, the pause of that breath for a moment or two, and long, slow breaths out. Anger is just one of the emotions we feel in a whole range of emotions. We are conditioned to label it as something we should not feel, that we should bury it. But like our breath, we can make friends with our anger. We can send it some kindness and sit with it, not wanting to push it away, but listen to it. Listen to what it is trying to say to us, and really allowing the anger to make its presence felt. We can feel our anger in our body. We can feel our anger in our mind. We can even feel it in our breath. Let's bring awareness to the parts of our body where anger is manifesting, scanning our body from head to toe, noticing the eyebrows, noticing if our anger is gathered there, relaxing our eyebrows, widening them, sending a breath there, a breath of kindness, and coming to our jaws and our tongue, noticing if they are clenched, softening them. And now our shoulders, noticing if our shoulder blades are pinched, noticing if some of the anger is gathered in our shoulders, releasing the tension in the shoulders, sending deep breaths of love and compassion there. And as we exhale, letting go of the anger that is cramped there, moving down to our back, inviting our breath in the areas of our back that do not feel so good today, and easing the back, giving it comfort. Now coming to our chest, feeling the heartbeat, noticing if the chest feels tight, placing a hand gently over the heart and soothing the chest, being kind to it, feeling your breath in your hand. And now the abdomen. Is there a sensation of churning? Sending your breath there and allowing the abdomen to relax, sending it some love and compassion, being with it for a few moments. And the arms and hands and fingers, feeling them, noticing any sensations there, and moving down to the hips and thighs, knees and calf muscles, and then our feet. Noticing our feet making contact with the ground beneath us, our feet that are our anchor, exhaling any tension, any stress, any worries, and being back with the breath. And now we notice our mind. The mind sometimes likes to repeat the events that led to this feeling of anger, replaying it over and over again. The mind can feel confused. The mind can feel distracted. Let us bring awareness to what is happening inside the mind, and let us help the mind understand its struggle. We can ask the mind a few questions. Why am I angry? What is the cause of my anger? Who am I angry at? Do my past experiences influence my anger? Does a situation or person deserve this anger? Do I want to hold on to the anger, or is it okay if I allow it to go? As the mind begins to clear around the anger, imagine the anger in physical form. Imagine its shape, size, color, taste, and texture. Imagine it appearing in front of you and surrender that anger to the earth. Let the anger be pulled in by the earth. Watch it disappear, fade away from your sight. And in that space where there was anger in your body, in your mind, imagine light, white healing light to fill up that space, all through your body and your mind. Take a moment here to bask in that light, watching the light fill your body and mind. Noticing once again how the body feels, and with your breath, releasing any last remaining tension that might be lingering in your body. Bringing our attention back to this moment now, to this room we are in, wiggling our toes and fingers. And only when you feel ready, you may open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this practice today. Love and light. Namaste.